22nd of June 2021. And this is Savonkatu 24 Stekesi here in Kuopio, Pohjois-Savo region. It's Pohjois-Savo, Northern Savo and North-Savolax here in Finland, and this is really difficult to get inside here. There are 6 floors. This was built in late 1984, completed in 1985, with B8 fixtures still at 6 floors. And the serial number is A63311. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. It are 35 years old between 2019 and 20. This is amazing.
Yeah.
But we also have to get into the SMB later. But we can try this one too right now, and then we'll see.
Yeah.
Because we have to hurry up for the other 1958 one and other elevators.
Yeah.
But we had luck here now.
Yeah.
But first it was very bad luck.
Yeah.
We can do a second silent ride.
Yeah.
I like the smell in here.
Same here.
And then you can press.
Yeah.
But I check first if there's...
Tippaa kivais, mutta me teet paikkaan.
I don't know if it's... I'll check the door.
Yeah.
Nice. Sadly it's locked off, but there's a garage. It's locked off, sadly.
Yeah.
We have to do them separately. And then there's some memory.
Yeah. Yeah.
Simple memory.
Yeah.
Back to the first floor, and then we hurry up to the bus.
Yeah.
Because we have to go to the SMB separately sometime later.
Yeah.
Maybe next time.
Yeah.
So I say thank you very much for watching.
That's